So, good afternoon, everyone. We will take a couple of screenshots or photographs for the purpose of uploading into Atal portal. So,
thank you for joining with us. It's a pleasure to meet you all. So, not an issue. We are taking a photo shoot is going on.
2 minutes. We'll take a couple of screenshots.
Together,
Be nice.
it won't be nice together.
Okay, thank you all for your cooperations. Now we'd like to proceed with the next part of the event. Expect candidates to provide their feedback on this FTP.
Yes, dear participants, your feedbacks are most valuable for us. Can we have?
Excellent sessions, ma'am. They were highly informative, and they have provided many insights, exclusively R and Cassandra. So we were able to enhance our knowledge and new insights and latest industry technological analytics about this. So it has really been highly useful sessions for us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And the efforts you have taken are really appreciable. You, Geeta ma'am and sir, Kumar sir, they're really highly timely sessions and everything. Thank you, ma'am, very much. And we appreciate further more sessions like this.
And thank you for your cooperations also, Mama. Whatever the instructions we have given, you all have followed and you all have joined in right time. In spite of your schedules, I know as a faculty, we all have committed with so much of works and time, and we don't know when we are getting the works also. And thanks for joining with us.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I want to say something. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, myself Jay from Maharashtra, Rajashri Shahu Mahavidyalaya Autonomous, Maharashtra. All these sessions are very good. Very much regarding the new technologies like big data, then text analysis, R software, and all that. Congratulations, whole organization team. It's very, very good workshop or FDP that I have attended.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can we have a few more feedback from you participants.
We'd like to also know where any suggestions, what part needs a little improvements. It would have been better if we conduct any certain ways. Any suggestions you would like to give, please. We are open for that.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, yeah, this is Sangeeta from Christ University. I think this is my second FDP with this institution. I think data science work FDP also. I think Geeta ma'am only were coordinating that. I have attended this. That was actually well planned, both the sessions, okay, whether it is on data science or even this, okay, both were well planned and well paced out. Even the expertise which you have chosen were very what is it, approachable. Whatever our doubts and other things, they were patiently listening to us and responding to us. So overall, the organizing or the planning or the approach, okay, even the expertise, okay, whomsoever you have chosen was very good. Okay, so I'm so happy about it. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, Shrikant sir.
Yes. Good evening, madam. Is my voice audible?
Good evening, sir. Yeah, very much audible.
Good evening, madam. First of all, I am very much thankful to all the organizers for organizing in a very pre-planned manner, where I have seen that every day you start program in the right time. You also deliver the notes, PPT, all those very immediately after the session. And all the sessions were very, very informative, and mostly I would thankful for the organizers for choosing better people in such a way that they have given lot of practical knowledge, which was very good thing in the this FDP. Each and every session has gone through the practical, madam, which was the best thing in this FDP I have seen. Okay,
That
thank
was
you.
our actual motto, sir. As a faculty, we should get some exposures from our industry persons as well, and the faculty who are actually delivering the hands-on sessions. So it will be more helpful for us for our teaching learning process as well.
Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir.
All the sessions it was very interesting and informative for each and everyone who attended this. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Dr. Geeta, I would like to add something. This is Dr. Gagan
Yes,
from
sir.
Hyderabad.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah, the whole FDP was good. Everyone has praised it, and I too enjoyed it. The part was missing is we have selected R programming for machine learning. That Abhinav sir has taken the session. That was a good session.
Yes, yes,
But
sir.
I think if we should have taken Python, then it could have been much better, because Python is the current trend. R programming, it is a bit difficult to understand. If it is Python, then I think faculty can pick up very quickly also.
Yes, yes.
So
yes.
maybe I'll wait for a next FDP of your college, and I'll get this stuff there.
Definitely. You can have, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
much. Thank you, Gagan, sir.
So I'll thank Gagan sir for that valuable suggestions. We'll definitely incorporate the given suggestions for our next FDP.
Yeah.
Any other participants would like to express their views about FDP? So you're most welcome.
I just want to add one more thing, sir. We are also conducting one more FDP, what sir has expected, machine learning and infotainment. That will be on December. So hope those who are expecting more or beyond the content from the current FDP, they can join. They can register themselves for that FDP. Obviously, that will meet your expectations, sir. I can promise you. as Gagan sir told.
Yeah, we can get this detail in same Atal portal, right?
Yes, yes, sir. It is available.
And the
It is
name you
available.
said was
Mechanism.
data science and infotainment.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
I thank Atal Portal for providing all these sessions from highly learned person. I personally thank that because being a management side, we don't
Yes.
know much about this big data, all those things. So it is enhancing our knowledge and application part. Basically, the other side of the coin is very important to, and that for that efforts, Atal, I have acknowledged that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Speaker should be. It's not down, ma'am.
Thanks a lot, participants, for providing the feedback on our FDP. Now I would like to call Mrs. Huda Mirza Saifuddin, Assistant Professor of BNM Institute of Technology, for rendering vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we have come to an end of 5 days Atal-sponsored online FDP on Big Data and Analytics, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this FDP. I would like to thank all the participants for choosing our FDP as their preferred FDP and joining us for this. On behalf of BNM Institute of Technology, I extend my gratitude and would like to thank all the resource persons, Dr. Gracie Teresa, Dr. Fatima G, Dr. Nafisa Begum, Mr. Sivram Sundar, Mr. Ashok Yoganand, Dr. Satyabama, Dr. Shashikala, Dr. Abhinaya Tripathi, and Dr. Geeta Lee for their informative, interactive, and wonderful sessions. I would like to thank AICTE for approving our proposal and providing an opportunity to exchange the knowledge. I would like to also thank Shri Narayan Rao R. Mane, Secretary BNMEI, Professor T.J. Ramamurthy, Director BNMIT, Dr. S.Y. Kulkarni, Additional Director BNMIT, Professor Ishwar N. Mane, Dean BNMIT, Dr. Krishnamurthy G.N., Principal BNMIT, Dr. Shashikala, HOD, Department of ISC, BNMIT, for their constant support and encouragement for the conduction of this 5 days FDP. I would like to thank the convener of the FDP, Dr. Geeta D, Associate Professor, Department of ISC, BNMIT, and Coordinator, Mr. Vijay Kumar S, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, BNMIT, for the smooth conduction of this FDP. I would also like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Information Science and Engineering Department, BNMIT, for their support. Without them, this FDP wouldn't have been a successful one. Once again, I thank one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for rendering vote of thanks. We'll be sharing a quiz link through email as well as through your WhatsApp group. So you'll be getting 30 minutes of time to complete the quiz. The quiz will start at 3:15. So by the time people can revise a little bit about the topics that we have covered, and the quiz will be active till 3:45. So please, I will request you to kindly take up the quiz, as well as we'll be sharing a day 5 sessions feedback link also. So we request you to kindly fill the feedback and take up the quiz. And as I've clearly mentioned in the WhatsApp chat, you have to satisfy all the 4 criteria what you have mentioned, such as 85% of attendance overall FDP and 60% of marks to be scored in the final assessment or the quiz what we are conducting now, as well as you should provide a feedback for all the sessions. All the 14 session feedback must be given, as well as you have to give a feedback in Atal portal, especially that is very important for us. So you have to provide the feedback in that portal, then only you'll be eligible to get your certificate. To process all this, like uploading your attendance, uploading your feedback, as well as quiz marks and all, we need a little time so that you people can expect a generation of your certificate by Wednesday. So it will not count instantly. It takes a little time for us also to process all of this. And we request you to be patient until your certificates are generated. Any issues, any queries at any point of time, you can contact us through WhatsApp or through a call. So thanks a lot. Thank you all for attending this one, FDP.
Thank you so much, sir. You keep us informed about so many procedures and process, okay, on time. Okay, thank you so much for that.